Cleaning a white kitchen sink can be hard to do without using bleach. I am using a stain remover and a laundry booster with natural enzymes and active oxygen. Although it is intended for laundry, I have found that it works well for white sinks and tile grout. I measure about 1 tablespoon and sprinkle it around the bottom of the sink and add a small amount of water. I also add a few drops of my favorite super cleaning concentrate. Remember, never mix products until you read your directions. The ones I'm using are safe to use together. I wet my sponge and spread the products around the sink while scouring with a scrubby sponge. Then I plug the drain and add a little bit of water and let it soak for 20 minutes or even overnight. When I come back, I drain the water and use a toothbrush to scour the edges of the drain. I pay close attention where there are stains and the garbage disposal. Using the sponge, I scour and then begin to rinse. If you have a spray nozzle, this helps the rinsing go much faster. You can use the sponge to help wipe and rinse the sink as well. After rinsing, I use 2 thicker microfiber polishing cloths to dry the sinks. After the cloths are damp, I continue around the kitchen counters to wipe them clean. The microfiber cloths with just plain water will actually remove 97 to 99% of bacteria and germs. Be sure to check my website to see the links to these studies.